You need to cut the avocado. Really well. It's almost done. These are the ingredients, and the ingredients are in the description below. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some roasted pepper. Going to crush it. Now I'm going to take some roasted cumin. I'm going to crush the cumin along with the pepper. You can see it's crushed well. Once that's done, I'm going to cut the lemon. Make sure you don't put the seed in the mixture, because if you do that, it's going to end up bitter. I keep telling you, always avoid the seed. We use onions, but right now I'm just going to use the spring onions. Finely chopped. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tomato, and I'm going to remove the seeds from the tomatoes, because I just want the outer part of the tomatoes. If you add the seeds and the center part of the tomato, and it's going to release some water, and it's going to make our guacamole a little more runny. So I avoid putting seeds to it. Chop them nicely. So that's done. We're going to add green chilies. Going to remove the seeds out, because some people don't like it to be more spicy. So I'm going to avoid the seeds. I'm going to finely chop this green chilies. And a little bit of coriander. This is optional, completely optional. Just want to make it a little bit creamier. So that's the reason I'm just adding a cube of cheese, that's all. Once that's done, add a little bit of salt for your taste, and we are ready. Mix them well. Welcome back to my channel again. I've made guacamole, or you can call it guacamole in US, and Spanish they call it guacamole. Okay, anyways, what I have added extra in this today is I didn't use the regular onions.
Instead of that, I used spring onions, okay, just to get the better flavor because I love spring onions. You can always add whatever you like to eat, anyways. And I've also added extra cheese in it because I like the creamy flavor of the cheese. Okay, this is not the original recipe, but it is better than the original recipe. I can guarantee you that. Anyways, I'm going to try having this now. My mouth is watering anyway. Okay, let me try having the guacamole with. Oh, I also have Doritos, like the Mexicans, the Doritos, strangle. And let's try this now. Very creamy. Cut now. Very creamy. Let's try now. Yeah. I think I need two. Cheers, guys. Going good with the chips. I really like it. When I said cheers, I remembered something. Something else to do with the guacamole. So beer. Cheers again. And then you need to take another one. Okay, cheers again. The taste is brilliant, very creamy, the way I like it. Oh. There's also green chilies which I've added in this. So I personally like the food to be a little more spicier. If you guys do not want to add green chilies, it's okay to avoid it, but I like it. I like green chilies. Like always, don't stay hungry, cook something. This is very easy to make. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel as well as give me a like. Also give your comments in the comment box. So I want to see what better things I can do in future for you guys.